Cryptocurrency was a big topic at last year's G7 summit, and this year, barely a mention of it. Crypto's fall has been as rapid as its rise. Today, Bitcoin prices are rising, but the dreams of using it as a currency have been dashed. Here in Bari, we found evidence of it. This city has 2 Bitcoin ATMs. Both were opened with much fanfare during the pandemic, but both are largely unused right now. So we decided to find these elusive Bitcoin ATMs to understand what Italy's crypto scene looks like. Here's a report. Today we are searching for an ATM. Before you ask, doesn't this stuff happen when the camera is off? Hold on. This isn't just any ATM. This one is designated for cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of crypto ATMs in the world, but most of them are located in the United States, the headquarters of all dubious ideas. Bari doesn't fit that bill. This is not a haven for tech bros or eccentric billionaires. Why then does Bari have not 1 but 2 crypto ATMs? Not sure if I should say expected or unexpected. The first Bitcoin ATM was set up in 2020 at a financial center, but later it was moved to this location, a cannabis store. Now, cannabis is not legal for recreational use in this country, but holding or possessing it is not illegal either. And that is the tricky thing about cryptocurrency. People use it to buy things that they cannot buy with cash, maybe drugs or other illegal items. Let's head inside and find out. Nothing much to say here. It's a cannabis store in southern Italy. Everything here is cannabis themed, from clothes to pouches to more discreet items. But on the billing table, you see this small machine, an ATM to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Normally, an ATM connects to your bank account. This one doesn't. It connects to your digital crypto wallet. Now, there are 2 important numbers to note here. One is your digital crypto wallet, which is a bit like your bank account. The second is your private key, which you enter to transfer or buy crypto. And this machine has certain limits. A minimum of 20 euros per day and a maximum of 1,995 euros per day. So you put in your cash, you enter your private key, and the machine does the rest. It converts your money into crypto. Let's talk rules now. The European Union does regulate cryptocurrencies. They have a set of laws called MiCA, Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation. It covers consumer protection, asset classification, and market abuse. Italy too has updated its cryptocurrency rules. It is perfectly legal to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin in Italy. There is only one condition. You must go via registered crypto markets or agencies. This ATM is operated by a Lithuanian crypto service. It's called Crypto Local ATM. I'm sure they bought into the crypto craze of the pandemic, but as you can see, it's not exactly buzzing with people. The shopkeeper says the ATM is rarely used. They accept Bitcoin on their website, but not for direct sales. Plus, people are worried about being scammed. No worries though. There's another crypto ATM in Bari. Maybe we'll have better luck there. This one is definitely bigger than the first. You can't miss the big black board that screams Bitcoin. Inside, things get interesting. The ATM machine is placed inside something that can only be described as a cage. Iron bars separate you from the outside. On the screen is the prevailing Bitcoin rate, a whopping 62,000 euros. After multiple crashes in the last few years, Bitcoin is rising again. Bari has around 13 businesses that accept Bitcoin. Rome has more than 120 such businesses. Some Italian giants tried using it as a method of payment. Like Ferrari, the legendary Italian car maker started accepting Bitcoin last year, but payments remain extremely rare. The problem doesn't seem to be acceptance. Around 8% Italians say that they have bought some sort of cryptocurrency. The problem seems to be usage and reliability. Cryptocurrencies are too volatile to be used for daily transactions. You must be tech savvy to buy, sell, or exchange crypto. A lot of people thought that cryptocurrency is the next big thing, but that bubble has been burst. There have been a lot of crypto scams in the US, and even here in Italy, These ATMs are on the radar of the financial watchdogs for money laundering. ATMs like these are an easy way to convert your black money into Bitcoin or any other kind of cryptocurrency. And we told you about the mafia problem in this part of Italy yesterday. So a free laundering service is the last thing that they need. What about investments? A lot of people buy Bitcoin as an asset, not as a currency. Well, there's tax on that. Italy has slapped a 26% tax on the gains made from cryptocurrency. So Bari's crypto problem is much like the world's. The pandemic triggered a lot of interest, which led to rapid crypto growth. In Bari's case, 2 ATMs in no time. But then came a dose of reality. Even in this small corner of Italy, the crypto bubble is bursting. Fan of Italy's famous cuisine? Well, we are serving it with a side of diplomacy. As the G7 leaders gather in southern Italy, Vantage is taking you to the heart of the action. What's the agenda? Who is invited? And how is Italy preparing for it? Catch the special edition of Vantage throughout this week, only on Firstpost. Fan of Italy's famous cuisine? Well, we are serving it with a side of diplomacy. As G7 leaders gather in southern Italy, Vantage is taking you to the heart of the action. What's the agenda? Who's invited? And how is Italy preparing for it? Catch the special edition of Vantage throughout this week, only on Firstpost.